Hello and welcome to the RZN Auto channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting compact SUVs to arrive in recent years, the 2026 Geely Coolray. This is a model that has been making waves in different markets, and the latest version is set to surprise even more people with its bold styling, premium features, and a performance package that challenges the established names in the segment. So let's take a closer look at what makes this new Coolray such a shocking contender. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Geely Coolray takes a confident leap forward. At the front, you'll immediately notice the wide and assertive grille with intricate detailing that flows seamlessly into the slim LED headlamps. What really grabs attention is the LED daytime running light bar stretching horizontally across the fascia, giving the SUV a futuristic and high-tech face, almost like something out of a concept car. The bumper has a sculpted, sporty design with sharp air intakes that add to the athletic vibe. Moving to the rear, the Coolray is just as distinctive. The vertical tail lamps rise dramatically up the tailgate edges, connected visually by black trim accents that widen the stance. Combined with the sharp roof spoiler and dual exhaust tips, the rear fascia screams modern and dynamic styling. From the side view, the SUV has a sleek, almost coupe-like profile with a floating roof effect, strong character lines, and bold alloy wheels that amplify its road presence. The proportions strike a balance between agility and practicality, perfect for urban life, yet stylish enough to turn heads anywhere. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 Coolray feels like a massive leap in quality and design. The cabin greets you with a modern dashboard layout dominated by dual high-resolution digital displays, one serving as the driver's instrument cluster and the other as the infotainment system. The center console is elevated and driver-focused, with a sleek gear selector and neatly integrated controls. Soft touch materials, leather accents, and customizable ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere that rivals more expensive SUVs. The seats are ergonomically designed with high-quality leather upholstery, offering both comfort and support for longer drives. Space has been optimized for passengers in both rows, and the cargo area is surprisingly practical for a compact SUV, making it a solid choice for families or young professionals who need versatility. Features like a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging pad, advanced driver assistance systems, and smartphone connectivity ensure the Coolray is loaded with tech that today's buyers expect. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2026 Geely Coolray is expected to come with a range of efficient yet spirited powertrains. The highlight is a turbocharged gasoline engine paired with a dual-clutch transmission, delivering smooth yet punchy performance for city commutes and highway runs alike. Depending on the market, mild hybrid technology may also be available to boost fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. For driving dynamics, the Coolray has been tuned to strike a balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. Steering is precise, suspension is well damped, and with available drive modes, you can tailor the experience to your liking, whether you're cruising casually or pushing it a little harder. So, does the 2026 Geely Coolray truly shock the market? From what we've seen, the answer leans strongly toward yes. It combines futuristic styling, a high-quality interior, modern features, and impressive performance into a package that could challenge not only other compact SUVs, but also some models from premium brands. It's bold, it's fresh, and it's designed to make an impact. That wraps up our first look at the 2026 Geely Coolray. What are your thoughts? Do you think this compact SUV has what it takes to compete with the likes of the Hyundai Kona, Toyota Corolla Cross, or even entry-level European crossovers? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our latest car reviews and updates here on RZN Auto. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.